Hello everyone, welcome to Spice Ranee Cooking Channel. I'm Jasbir and I'm here to share all my favorite recipes with you. Today, I'll be cooking pork rib curry. This recipe is an inspiration from my childhood visit to a neighbor's house during Chinese New Year. My neighbor Atong's grandmother was a fantastic cook. Let's begin with the recipe. For the full list of ingredients, check out the description box either above or below. First, we need the pork. I got my butcher to chop it for me. Wash the pork, especially at the ends, to remove as much tiny bones as possible. Next, the aromatics. For this recipe, I am using onions, garlic, ginger, chili, and tomatoes, the holy grail of Indian curries. Roughly chop the aromatic ingredients and put them into the blender cup. Blend this into a fine paste. God bless the person who invented the blender. Lastly, the potatoes. Cut them into halves or quarters depending on the size of the potatoes. Soak them fully in water, otherwise they will discolor. Set aside to use later. Now for the fun part, it's time to cook. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a wok and add the blended aromatics. I'm also adding the meat curry powder, bay leaves and salt. Bay leaves are added at the beginning of the cooking process because they release their flavor slowly into the dish. Stir this mixture well and cover it. Otherwise, you'll have to clean your whole kitchen. It does tend to splatter because of the liquid in the aromatics. Water and oil are not the best of friends. Keep cooking the curry base until it is dry, which means that the water has evaporated and the oil is released. This helps to intensify the flavor of the aromatics and the spices. Once your curry base is ready, add water and pork ribs to the wok. Stir well and make sure that there is enough water to cover the meat. Cover the wok and let it cook. Check on it once in a while to see if you have enough water and the curry base does not stick to the base of the wok. Check for the doneness of the pork. Once it is tender, add the potatoes. The liquid in the wok should be enough to cover the potatoes. If not, just add more. Cover and continue cooking. Check again to see if potatoes are done. As for mine, they need more cooking and liquid. Add hot water if needed. Potatoes are done when a fork can easily cut into it. Taste and season accordingly. Ta-da! It's done! As simple as that. My delicious pork rib curry is ready to eat. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more cooking videos. See you next week. Everybody make sure.
Yeah. You just burnt.
No, it's the chair.
It's the chair. Okay.
First we'll need the pork. Well,
What's going on?
this recipe is an inspiration from my childhood visit to my neighbor.
The minute it's on, she was perfect. having fun explaining the story just now.
You